everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna, and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So, guys, I am on my way to El Cotillo. El Cotillo! Yay! Well, El Cotillo is a really cute town, very beachy-like, cute stores, cute little restaurants. Every time I come to Fuerteventura, I must drive at least once or twice to El Cotillo. It's an adorable town and great for sunsets. Never got a chance to stay there though, but it's okay. The shopping there is great. They got really cute little stores, and they really did a great job with fixing up the town. They got a nice, cute little hidden restaurant that's directly on the beach. I will probably go there and have a little coffee or something. And then, yeah, today I am totally alone, no kids. Ooh, so this is awkward, but you know what? I am definitely going to take advantage of this time and enjoy myself. Spend some time with selfie. As we say, do me. Us mothers need that from time to time, so don't have a guilty feeling. I sure as heck don't. However, yes, so stick around, yeah, I'm probably gonna go lay a little bit on the beach. Not too much on the beach, because I've noticed like my skin is so dry. Oh my goodness. Although I did buy this amazing cream, and I'll show you all this cream that I bought. And it really keeps my skin moisturized. It's with shea butter and shea butter and a mixture of other products. It's a French product, but very nice scent. I also discovered, I usually every time I come to this island, I buy this one specific cream, but they unfortunately don't have it, so I switched over to this other shea butter cream, which is also good, so it's not so bad. Yeah, so I can recommend that, or Nivea, which is also really good. But yeah, my skin's been really dry, so it's acting weird. I don't know. I wouldn't say that I'm not drinking enough, because I am drinking a lot of water, although I hear that one should drink at least 2 liters of water. I'm not sure what liters are in gallon. I know gallons are more than liters, so it's probably like 2-3 liters to 1 gallon. I'm not sure, but however, that could also be the case, and yeah, might also be due to age, because I ain't never had that problem before. Oh my goodness. However, yeah, so do stick around, and remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for joining me, and for all those who are subscribed to me, thanks for subscribing to me, and yes, we'll see you in a bit. Bye. Oh, don't go nowhere.
You know I had to go shopping.